Today I'm going to do a detailed review on this bag. I also have bonus unboxing at the end, so make sure you stay tuned, and I hope this will help your decision on trying to get this bag. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you the details of this bag, the size, the dimension. This was a request from a friend of mine, Marianne. Loves this bag a lot whenever I post it in social media, and so she's curious to know the details, and that is why I made this video. And hopefully for you as well, if you're interested in buying this bag. This has been noted as the top 2 best tote bag of the year from Vogue. This is the old tote bag from Mona. It comes with this 3D detailed logo with the M. The painter and creator of this logo was Henry Rapin from the history. He was the director back in the early 1900s. And so this bag was first released in fall of 2018, and it is very durable. This was in collaboration with Franco, a Japanese artist, Tiffany Olay, who created this limited edition pieces, I think for their anniversary. So this was from when they initially launched the tote bags. This is so beautiful. This canvas is from their 1920 line, and it is so pretty. They were known to be so durable. Mona has very durable bags, and that's why I love them. And this one comes with this tri-colored ribbon with a Mona Macaron in the middle, the beautiful logo they have there. And this is the medium size. It's so nice. It has this 3D effect with the M logo, with a silver, light beige, and cream combination. This is available in 3 sizes currently: the GM, the biggest size, the MM, and the smallest one. This is the mid size, which I think is the perfect size of them all. I also like the mini or the smallest one, but I'm not sure yet if I'm getting that. I'm probably gonna get the biggest one first, next to this. It comes with a lot of colors now. Come with the black, red, blue, indigo, and I have seen some brown and the linen blend, and a beautiful inside. And you can see the logo inside the bag. It's made in France. This is actually my very first Mona bag, so this bag means a lot to me. I have the unboxing of this bag from last year, and I have been wearing them a lot. So beautiful. I just love the color. It's a color you can wear all year long. It's perfect for the winter as well as for summertime, spring, and fall. So it's so versatile, and yes, I love it so much. This is actually my favorite tote bag in my collection. I love that when you stand it up like that, it doesn't fall, doesn't slouch. It just maintains its structure. They come in different prices, depends on the size. This particular bag is right now selling at 24s.com for $14.40, and you can also buy them in the boutique. So they have very limited quantity of this bag, and so That's why I like it, because it's a tote bag that you just don't see anywhere. Not a lot of look-alike. It's very unique. It's just pretty on its own. I love how it has the 3 circles and round macaron shape style in the front and in the back as well. It is so durable. I'm so enjoying this bag. Inside is like a red canvas. It has a tubing. Let's check the dimensions of the bag. From bottom up to the top, it's about 10 inches. That is the height of the bag. And for the width, I've used this bag so many times and I just never have any scratch or dent on it or any weird things happens to it. So I could tell you after a year, this is such a durable bag. And the width is about 18 inches. The thickness of the bag is about 5.5 inches. It's just so beautiful with all that 3D M logo. It's very unique. For the strap, from here to the highest point of the strap is about 11 inches. And the size of the opening, almost 5 inches. So I styled this bag in many ways and I have so many pictures of this bag. And this is like a year old now, and honestly it's been very good and the durability of this bag is superb. I've used it so many times. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see I have so many pictures with this tote bag, and I just don't see any wear and tear at all. It's still in its pristine condition. So yeah, Erica has helped me. Erica from Mona in Japan has helped me with the process on purchasing this bag. It was mailed from Paris, and yes, that is it for that. Maybe one day I will make a video on what fits on this bag. And so let's do my unboxing now. For my newest item in my collection, this came from New York. My daughter did the ordering for me and she found out about the brand. They're actually very popular in Instagram. In this one, you can personalize almost anything and have them make it for you for your jewelries. I'm very excited to show you. Oh my goodness, this is really so cute. This is so exciting. I've been wanting one. Finally, I found a good company that could do it. And so, are you ready? Let me open it for you. Ta-da! Wow, that is so beautiful. This one is made out of vermeil. And yeah, the price is like, I think over $100. My daughter ordered them for me. And this is custom. You can have anything custom by them. And yeah, this is, I think, just a cute little one I could wear every day. And vermeil is not that expensive, and they also have coupons to get the discount. And this is their website. Beautiful cute necklace with my name on it. I'm loving this so much. And so that is it for my unboxing today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much, and please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Take care and have a good day wherever you are. Love is not over.